Come onto the floor on your hands and knees. Set your knees directly below your hip and your hands slightly forward of your shoulder. Spread your palms and index fingers slightly turned out and turn your toes under. Inhale and lift your knees away from the floor. At first, keep your knees bent slightly and the heels lifted away from the floor. Lengthen your tailbone away from the back of your pelvis and press it lightly towards the pubis. Lift your sitting bones towards the ceiling. Then, with an exhale, push your top thigh back and stretch your heels down towards the floor. Strengthen your knees, but be sure not to lock them. Firm the outer arms and press the bases of your index fingers actively into the floor. Keep the hands straight and keep the head between the upper arms. Do not let it hang. Stay in this pose for 3 breaths, then bend your knees back to the floor with an exhale and rest in child's pose. Namaste.